It was very cold and freezing on a spicy winter's night. All the stars shining brightly and the moon was clear and white.
But the little town of Bethlehem was very wide awake. There were tents there from everywhere, various size and shape. The reason for the multitudes, everybody knows, was an edict from the emperor that everyone should go to the place Corona came from ages long ago, paying our own taxes for our own for the show.
Hark now, hear the angels sing. Listen to what they say. That Mary's boy child, Jesus Christ, was born on Christmas Day. Go tell it on the mountain, over the hills and everywhere. Go tell it on the mountain, that Jesus Christ is born.
There was Joseph, there was Mary on a donkey in the street. They were trying to find a little room to rest the weary feet.
Every knock of a refusal, not a single room to spare, till a man told Jesus stable again, stable over there.
And along the local hillside were the shepherds with the sheep, on the watch rules and robbers so they couldn't go to sleep.
They were stunned and flabbergasted when they heard the singing choir of the wise friends and sing about the baby boy.
Hark now, hear the angels sing. Listen to what they say. That Mary's boy child, Jesus Christ, was born on Christmas Day. Go tell it on the mountain, over the hills and everywhere. Go tell it on the mountain, that Jesus Christ is born.
All the shepherds came running to the stable where he lay, bringing sheep and lambs presents for the king that lay in heaven. And they brought their friends and neighbors who could chattering away till they came into the stable where they all met in to pray.
Then the trickies came riding on the camels that they rode, stopping off to talk to Herod, who was riding to the court.
They bore the frankincense and lots and lots of gold when they saw the baby Jesus they went home in the little robe.
Hark now, hear the angels sing. Listen to what